Hey guys, welcome back to another weather video, and if you are a new subscriber, please hit that subscribe button and smash that like button and comment on my video. And yeah guys, so we have Dorian and still invest 98L, which might form as a subtropical depression by 7 p.m. today, which if it does, I'll make an update about it tomorrow. So guys, Dorian right here has maximum sustained winds 60 miles per hour and is moving west-northwest at 14 miles per hour. So it is expected to become a hurricane by 8 p.m. Tuesday and a storm by 8 a.m. Friday. And yeah, so a potential Gulf encounters. It might just go in the Gulf because it looks like it could, but it's just pointing up. It might hit Florida sometime. So there are already warnings for the Leeward Island as it will make landfall in the Leeward Islands 8 a.m. Tuesday. So just warnings in effect. And Dominican Republic will have a landfall at 8 a.m. Thursday. And there's a possibility that the storm might just ride up the coast and just be dangerous, or just go in the Gulf, or just hit Florida, like some models show. Now invest 90 AL in an inland area of low pressure located about 275 miles southeast of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina has been a little better organized overnight. Environmental conditions appear conducive for additional gradual development, and a tropical or subtropical cyclone is likely to form later today or Tuesday, while the system moves slowly northeastward well offshore of the United States East Coast. The Resonance aircraft mission for today has been canceled. So information chance through 48 hours, which is 2 days, high 80%. Information chance through 5 days, high 80%. So yeah guys. So we are on tropical tidbits, and first thing we see is Tropical Storm Dorian, and its maximum sustained winds on tropical tidbits, it says 50 knots. And so we can just look at that perfect circulation once it just loads. So it has load, as we see a little circulation. It's just moving very fast. And so now, tropical tidbits predicted making a Florida landfall, which might be near Miami. Some models just predicted riding up the East Coast. Some models even predicted making landfall in South Carolina and then affect the East Coast. Some even predicted making landfall in Florida and then going in the Gulf and then making landfall in Louisiana, which hopefully that's not happening. But either way, it is going to affect lots of people in lots of many ways. So, one model predicts it being a Category 3, which might not be possible because actually it is possible. Because when it goes in the Bahamas, all that warm air and moisture is enough to make it a Category 3 probably. And the highest, I'm just going to say right now, it's Category 1, 80 miles per hour. Just going to say that. But a lot of it just predicts it being Category 1. Some predicted Category 2. And yeah, so remains of Ivo, which I don't even see anything. So this is depression. No model predicted being anything. Sorry about that. So invest 98L some models just predicted just being 1009 tropical storm, and one model has to predict it being a category 1. That looks like 75 miles per hour, but it actually might be a category 1. But a lot of models don't even predict it forming. So if I had to choose between this model and this model, I would choose this. It might actually do that. And so now we're going in the forecast models. Sorry. So models don't predict it. The GFS model does not predict it being anything. And there's a high pressure just moving stuff along. And then we see these two storms. But as we go back, there's actually 3. So so up there is Aaron. So this is Fernand. So let's just look into this. So this right here is Fernand. And it does that little circulation effect with Gabrielle. And then this is Gabrielle. It does that little effect with. So Fernand and Gabrielle are just like Joyce and Helene, or Helen. I call it Helen. From last year. And so Fernand is just a tropical storm. Nothing big. And then we obviously see Gabrielle just getting stronger in the MDR. And we see Fernand just dissipating. And then out here we see another tropical depression, which possibly could be Humberto, but we don't know because this is too far ahead. This is September 11th. This might not happen at all. So this is Fernand, possibly another storm, but this is too far out. So I'm not going to say this is going to happen. I say this might happen. Just like my Dorian prediction was right about it forming in the MDR. So let's now check on other models. Sorry about that. And we basically say that on the GFS legacy, we just say just Dorian, not even anything. Then we just see a strengthening. Wow. But the GFS legacy overhyped stuff, so just don't expect this to happen. This is not going to happen from the GFS legacy, because GFS legacy is just a big old lie. So on the 06Z, it shows it way stronger. It doesn't show anything else. It just shows it being way stronger. So it might make landfall as a tropical. Actually, will make landfall as a tropical storm. But it was just stronger. It was just stronger, like back here. So on the 12Z, we see it from here. Upon the 6Z, we see it from here. So, this is its strongest. That is possibly category 1. Possibly category 2. I'm not going to say that. I said possibly. But highest I'm just going to say for now is category 1. So. And so, next model. Wait, let's see it make landfall. So, it makes landfall. Now, this model, which don't have to be so certain about it, but basically it shows it a tropical storm as it makes landfall. 989. So, yeah, guys. And lastly, the icon model, which shows literally something actually. Ooh, it shows it going in the Gulf. Now, the icon model was definitely wrong for Barry, so I'm not really trusting it this time because it said category 3 for Barry. And yeah, you just saw that weather hub is getting hit, but possibility that he might be wrong because it might actually just make a swift turn. So, can't really trust this model that much, but it shows this much in the Gulf, going to the Gulf, but we just see it. And yeah, guys, thank you for watching this video. Subscribe, turn on post notifications, comment, and if you're a new subscriber, please, 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 it would mean the world to me if you would subscribe. And thank you, and bye.